Have you ever tried to speak English, but your pronunciation sounds unnatural? Or maybe you understand English, but you can't speak smoothly. Here's the good news. There's one simple method that can improve your speaking, listening, and pronunciation at the same time. It's called shadowing. What is shadowing? So, what exactly is shadowing? Shadowing means you listen to English audio and speak at the same time. Not after, not later. At the same time, you follow the speaker like a shadow. Simple example. Let's take a simple sentence. I'm going to the store. With shadowing, you play the audio, immediately repeat it, match the speaker's voice. Same speed, same rhythm, same emotion. It's like copying everything you hear. Why shadowing is so effective? 1. It trains your listening from the beginning. Beginners often don't recognize sounds, can't separate words. Shadowing forces you to listen carefully. Focus on every sound. Your ears improve very fast. 2. It improves pronunciation naturally. Instead of learning pronunciation rules, you copy real speech. Intonation, stress, rhythm. You sound more like a native speaker. 3. It builds speaking reflex. Many learners think too much before speaking. But with shadowing, you don't have time to think. You just listen, speak. This builds automatic speaking. 4. It connects listening and speaking. Usually, people learn skills separately. Listening, speaking. But shadowing combines both. Your brain learns faster. 5. It helps you understand real English. In real life, English is fast, connected, sometimes unclear. Shadowing trains you for real conversations. How to start shadowing? Here's a simple method. Step 1. Choose easy audio. You should understand about 80–90%. Step 2. Listen first. Don't start immediately. Understand the meaning first. Step 3. Start shadowing. Speak at the same time as the audio. Don't worry about mistakes. Step 4. Repeat many times. 3–5 times is enough. Step 5. Focus on rhythm and emotion. Not just words. Speak like the speaker. Common mistake. Many people do this wrong. They choose difficult content. They try too hard to be perfect. Remember, shadowing is about flow, not perfection. So remember, shadowing is simple, but extremely powerful. If you practice every day, your listening improves. Your speaking becomes natural. Because you don't learn to speak by thinking. You learn to speak by copying real speech. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.